Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome laundry bin that I have here. I love it. I'm so excited about it because it has 3 different bag compartments, as you can see. They hold so much stuff in it, so many clothes in it, that it's awesome. We have separated it into like work clothes, towels, blankets, and then regular clothes. And we have no problem filling our week's worth of clothes in there. We have a little one, so we have to do it more often than that, but it definitely holds a lot, which is great. I like that these are removable, so you can just grab the bin and bring it over to the washing machine if you want to. And I also like the material, the sturdiness of it. Another cool feature is that the whole cart itself has wheels on it, so it makes moving around your house or your laundry room very easy, which is great. And it's just an awesome little addition to our laundry room. It helps me keep me more organized and gets me motivated to do laundry a little better because I'm not rushing around trying to figure out what needs to be done. So I really like this. I think you will too if you're looking to be more organized in your laundry area, but that is just my point of view.